Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on subtraction involving zero, part 2. Now just before we start on the video that I've prepared, let's do this sum together. Let's assume we have 7,002 and we want to subtract from that number 3,687. Okay, let's assume that we want to do that sum. That's quite a realistic sum. Now 2 take away 7 we can't do, 0 take away 8 we can't do, and 0 take away 6 we can't do. So we're allowed to start trading from this side here. That is perfectly allowable. That's a 7,000, so you cross it off and you make that a 6. And there's the 1. Okay, so we had 7,000 here. Now we've got 6,000 and another 1,000. So we've still got the 7,000. We've lost nothing. That now is a 10. It's 10 hundreds or 1,000. We can cross that off and make it a 9. And the 1 goes to here. So we've lost nothing. Okay, so we keep going across to trading. And we cross that 10 off, make it a 9. And we put the 1 there. Now we're in a position to do our subtraction because we finished our trading all along. 12 take away 7 gives us 5. 9 take away 8 gives us 1. 9 take away 6 gives us 3. And 6 take away 3 gives us 3. Now one way you can check whether your subtraction is correct, just do an addition. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 plus 6 is 9. And 3 plus 3 is 6. So we're correct. So we're going to do a few of those sums now. Let's have a look at them, the sums that I've prepared. So this video is an extension of the previous video. Here we look at 4 columns and introduce an extra 0. So example 1, 7,006, take away 3,468. As we've just seen in the previous slide, we can go right to the left-hand side. We cross off the 7 and make it a 6. There's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's the 1, which makes that 16 ones. Now we can do our subtraction. 16 take away 8 is 8. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 4 is 5. And 6 take away 3 is 3. There's the answer. This working here actually checks that we still have 7,006 after we did our trading. That 6 means 6,000. There it is. That 9 means 900. There. This 9 means 90. There. And that 16 is there. You're allowed to do that, a 1 and a 6. When you add that up, that gives you 7,006, which is the number we started with, and that checks that our trading is correct. Now I'll let you check the rest yourselves because I've shown you what to do here. Example 2, 8,003, take away 3,219. So we can't do any subtraction along here, so we go right across to the left hand side and we start our trading. Cross off the 8 and make it a 7, there's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9, there's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's the 1, which makes that 13 ones. 13 take away 9 is 4. 9 take away 1 is 8. 9 take away 2 is 7. And 7 take away 3 is 4. And this working checks that we have 8,003 after our trading. Example 3, 6,002, take away 3,738. Go across to the extreme left-hand side. Cross off the 6 and make it a 5. There's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's the 1. That becomes 12 ones. 12 take away 8 is 4. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 7 is 2. 5 take away 3 is 2. This working checks that we still have 6,002 after our trading. Example 4, 6,090, take away 2,435. Now 0 take away 5 we can't do, but because that's a 9 we can trade from here. So we cross off the 9 and make it an 8. Put the 1 here to make that 10 ones. 10 take away 5 is 5. 8 take away 3 is 5. 0 take away 4 we can't do. cross off the 6 and make it a 5, trade the 1, 10 take away 4 is 6, 5 take away 2 is 3, and that's the working to check that we still have 6,090 after all our trading. Example 5, 4,028 take away 1,352. We can do the first column because 8 take away 2 is 6, so that's already done. 2 take away 5 we can't do, 0 take away 3 we can't do, so we trade from here, cross off the 4 and make it a 3, there's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9, and there's the 1. 12 take away 5 is 7, 9 take away 3 is 6, 3 take away 1 is 2, there's the answer, and that's the working to check that we have 4,028 after our trading. Example 6, 9,000 take away 3,672. We have to go to the extreme left hand side to start trading because they're all zeros. Cross off the 9 and make it an 8, there's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9, there's the 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9, there's the 1. 10 take away 2 is 8, 9 take away 7 is 2, 9 take away 6 is 3, 8 take away 3 is 5, and that working helps us to check that we have 9,000 after we did our trading. We've still got 9,000, so we're correct. And the last example, 7,000 minus 1,524. Go to the extreme left hand side to trade. Cross off the 7 and make it a 6. There's our 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's our 1. Cross off the 10 and make it a 9. There's our 1. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 2 is 7. 9 take away 5 is 4. 6 take away 1 is 5. That's the answer. And that checks that we still have 7,000 after our trading. Now, subtraction involving trading, especially when there are a lot of zeros, is a very challenging exercise. I'd encourage you to go through this video as many times as you like. Pause it whenever you want. Take your time, and it won't take long before you'll become an expert at this topic and you'll be able to help any of your fellow students who are struggling. But you need to really practice and spend time doing the examples. Well done, because that's a pretty challenging topic.